everyone, thanks for tuning back into my channel, you guys. So in today's video I have a different video content for you guys. This is a review on the Nuwave pressure cooker. I bought this at Ross's, whatever you call it. I call it Ross's for $49.99. So yeah, I just want to go ahead on and do a quick review, you guys. We're going to go ahead on and take it out of the box. Okay, and as you guys can see, it comes with instructions, the manual, and I also see recipes in there as well. I will be following some of these recipes, putting a twist on it. All right, so we got the manual. Excuse the kids in the background, you guys. So I guess this is a handle or something. I don't know. We will figure that out. Let's see. Alrighty. Go ahead and put this. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead on and take this out, you guys, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I just took it out of the box, and I do like the way it looks. I do see it have a lot of functions and stuff on it. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I don't even know what I'm doing, but well, let's open it up. Something fell off of it. We're gonna figure out what it is. Let's see what that is. Okay, I guess it goes, okay. It goes up, okay, I don't know. I'm gonna figure out, I don't know. Is it broke? Okay, we're gonna figure it out. Okay, so, okay, well, okay, so this is the pot, you guys, and then it comes with like the spoon, spatula thingy, and a measuring cup, and then it comes with a little simple pot. Okay, so this is the handle. I'm gonna go ahead and attach that. Okay. Oops, did I do that wrong? Okay, attach the handle. Alright, so all of that trying, I figured out where the water thing go. It just slide. Wait, did I? Yeah, you can just take it out. Slide through the grooves. And bam! Alright. Alright, so got our handle. Got the water thing in the back. Alright, we don't need this right now. Okay, so got the arrow right here, which shows open and close. Right now it's on open, and now it's closed. Alright, come at the top. Alright, so I did see they have like the valve. Let's see the name of this. Yeah, that's this right here is the floater valve. Yeah. Alright, y'all, that was my husband. He walked in, he on the phone, so sorry. Alright, so I explained to y'all what this is. Got all this stuff. Talking about do not touch pressure indicator as steam may release at any time. Okay, so don't touch that. Alright, y'all, so I did read, like skim through a little bit of the instructions, and they said for rice, beans, and grains, do not fill more than halfway full, and then for soup, sauces, and broths, do not fill more than 3/4 full. So yeah, we're gonna try to go ahead on and follow that, because they said if you exceed the maximum of level marking of the pot, it might mess the pot up and stuff. So we want to go ahead on and try to follow that. Let me open this up. The gasket is right here. They said make sure no broken, like it's not broke or cracks or anything in the gasket, because that will make the pot not work or whatever, because you know you have the gasket right at a seal between it. as you guys know. And then I also read do not touch it while it's hot, which we already know that. Do not cook without any liquid, meaning do not cook without any water, broths, milk, whatever, just liquid. You cannot cook anything without putting liquid. You have to put liquid in there first. All right, so all the other stuff, you guys, is like basically common sense. So we are going to try this out today, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do. I'm going to read more on it, and yeah, we're going to see how it turns out. So I'm going to go ahead on and cook some pork fingers in it, basically like pork chops or pork roast or whatever, but it's going to be pork fingers. So we're just going to go ahead on and see how this works, you guys, and I'll be right back. Okay. All right, y'all, so I'm about to go ahead on and plug this into the power. All right, I'm gonna put it right here. All right, so when I plugged it in, this is what it shows. All right, so now we're just going to go ahead on. Y'all bear with me because this is my first time using this. Okay, y'all heard that noise? Okay, let's do this back. Okay, that means close. Okay, I like that. Okay, y'all, so see this right here? I don't like how fragile it is, but you know what I like? You can slide it out of there. Okay, so we're just gonna put this over to the side, put our pot in there like that. All right, and come right here. I got my daughter recording, y'all, so bear with me. We are going to do sear. And they said when it's on sear, it's going to automatically be on 5, which is 5 minutes. Where's the manual, the instructions? I don't know where I put it. Oh, okay. And I think you can like change it. So let me see. Right now, bear with me, y'all. I'm going with the I'm in the instructions right now. So it's showing 5 right now, which is 5 minutes. And they said you can actually go up. The maximum time for sear is 20 minutes. The minimum time for sear is 1 minute. And that's what we actually going to go ahead on and do with our pork fingers. Okay, so I guess it cut off. So we're going to do sear and never close it. Okay, we're going to do a sear, and we're going to do our sear for 10 minutes. Okay, 10, and then we're going to hit start. Okay. All right, so as you know, sear, we just want to brown up our pork fingers or pork chops or whatever pork. Okay, so I got that on right now, and all I'm going to add into the pot, you guys, is some oil. And y'all, excuse the background noise. Like I said before in my other video, my husband does music, so he is doing music right now. And the kitchen is not far at all from his studio. All right, so just excuse that noise in the background. And I'm gonna add a little bit more oil, okay? Okay, I can kind of hear it, you guys. It's on right now, so I'm gonna let that oil sit for a couple, maybe a minute, and then I'll be right back, okay, you guys? All right, you guys, so I am back. It has been the oil has been sitting for a minute, and y'all, these pork fingers is big, okay? And I do have you know, we are a family of 8, so I do have more meat than that. So I'm gonna just go ahead on and add 2 of them at a time, because I do have a lot of pork fingers here, and they are big, like they are really big. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna just go ahead on and do those 2 right now, and I'm gonna just brown it on one side and then go ahead on and brown it on another side. And each 2 of them, I'm just going to go ahead on and set the pressure cooker, put it on sear like before, and I guess set it every 10 minutes. So every 2 pork fingers, I'm going to do every 10 minutes, okay? And I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so we are down to 1 minute for our pork fingers to finish brown. All right. as you guys can see, it says end and it's making a noise, the beeping noise. Okay, you guys, so I browned my pork fingers, and I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I did do two of them in a skillet, brown two of them in a skillet, because let's be honest, the purpose of doing it in a pressure cooker is to minimize time. So if I would have did two of the other two in here, it would have been like an extra 10 minutes. So I did brown them for 10 minutes on each side, and let me show you guys how it looks inside the pot. Okay, so this is how it looks inside the pot. I am going to keep that. Okay, and I'm just going to take my onions. I don't have no other vegetables, y'all, because tomorrow is my shopping day, grocery shopping tomorrow. Unfortunately, I don't have no bell pepper, no carrots or any of that, but oh well, onions will do. It'll still be good. So what I'm going to do is just put that in there, and I'm going to hit sear again. I'm just going to hit sear again, you guys, and I'm just going to do that for, let's see, sear, and I'm just going to do that for 5 minutes and press start. So I'm going to sear the onions. So if you have bell pepper, onions, whatever vegetables, go ahead and sear that for 5 minutes. I'm going to keep all that oil, all the juice, and while that is seared for 5 minutes, I'm just going to go ahead on and get my liquid for my gravy, all that together. Which for the liquid, I am going to use 3/4 cup of water, but I am going to add a chicken bouillon to it, so it can be chicken broth. But I am, or if you have chicken broth, go ahead and add chicken broth. But me, I am going to add 3/4 cup of water. I am going to drop a chicken bouillon in there with that, and I'm also going to add kitchen bouquet, a spoon, tablespoon of kitchen bouquet, and a teaspoon of flour. And I'll come back to show you guys my next steps. Okay, you guys, so as you guys can see, the onion is sauteed. I am going to go ahead on and add my meat, all my good old brown meat. We're just going to add that. All right. And juice. Okay. All right, that is a lot of meat, y'all. I hope I'm all in the light. Okay, that is a lot of meat. All right, so I am going to add 3/4 cup of my water mixed with my flour. All right, and I'm also going to add a bouillon cube in there for flavoring. All right. All right, got that in there. I am going to pop my lid on. Again, let's go to meat. Okay, it's at 40. Okay, then we're gonna hit texture. I want it more, I want it tender, so I'm gonna hit more, and then we are going to hit start. Okay, it's pH mean preheating. All right, so I guess we gotta wait till it builds up. It's preheating right now, and then I'll be back just to show you guys what it's going to show after pH disappear. Okay, you guys, so it's off of preheating. That took about 15 minutes. Okay, so you can say my prep time was I'll say maybe 25-30 minutes. Okay, so prep time was 25-30 minutes. I know what to do differently next time. Do the preheat instead of sitting. I didn't know it was going to preheat for 15 minutes. So cooking time was on 50. 1 minute passed by. So when it's finished, you guys, I'll be back to show you guys the end results of the pork fingers. Yeah, so the pressure cooker just released, and it had like 2 hours on it. So I guess if you just let it the heat release on its own, it'll be 2 hours. But I'm gonna just go ahead on and press the release button, and you can see it smoking out. You hear it. So we're just going to go ahead on and let that release, you guys. And then when it's finished releasing, I'll come back and show you guys how it looks, okay? Okay, you guys, so I did figure out what the time was once it was finished. It automatically set itself to warm. I read up on it, automatically set itself to warm. So I see the steam stop coming out of it, so let's just go ahead and open the lid. All right, I hope I'm doing this right. I'm going to open. It made noise. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead on and open this up, you guys, and I'll be right back. Okay. Okay, you guys, so I did open up the lid, and y'all, I just touched this meat and it is like so tender. Okay, it's like basically fall, like, oh my god, it's so tender. So okay, you guys, so this is the meat, and then I just want to show you guys the gravy. Okay, and I'm just taking it and just putting the gravy on top of the meat. But y'all, this is like, uh-oh, sorry y'all for the noise in the background, but this is basically the end result, you guys. And I can tell y'all right now, I will be using this. I love how it cooked fast. Prep time was about 25 to 30 minutes, which I'll have all that done next time. Like, I probably won't be using this to brown my meat in. I'll just be doing the pan method on the stove. Sorry for all the background noise, y'all. Go tell them to be quiet, Kobe. Close my window. But yeah, y'all, so like I said, I don't think I'll be using this, the sear method in the pressure cooker. I'll do that on the stove to minimize the time. But yeah, it cooked it real fast. It cooked it with like 50 minutes, and it's real tender. So yeah, you guys, if y'all like the video and you think you're gonna go ahead and get you a Nuwave pressure cooker, comment down below. Or if you already have one, you don't like it or whatever, comment down below. But until next time, you guys, don't forget to love one another, and peace.